In this video, discover how to activate and operate Workahead Mode, which is a feature available on the mailing page. To use Workahead Mode, you must be connected to a mailing machine. Click on the Mailing tab. The system will attempt to connect to a mailing system configured within S.M.A.R.T. Once connected, your main screen will appear. This is where you can select accounts, levels, and other mailing options. Make sure your scale is properly connected before proceeding. Once everything is set, select Start. Once you hit Start, the system is going to process mail. To enable Workahead Mode, you must turn Scan and Drop off. Once disabled, Workahead Mode becomes active. In Workahead Mode, you can either scan an account code or manually type an account number into the code field. The system will search by account number or name. Click Apply to confirm your selection. The bottom right corner of the screen will display the account currently being charged. To move on to the next account, enter a new code. Wait until the feeder is empty, meaning no mail is left. Then apply the new code to begin charging the next account. Once all mail has been processed, click Stop to end the session.